Okay, first of all, let's test our application in Nose Engineering Building. And we choose the exit door in the third floor as our first landmark. And draw a mark here. Choose to take picture in the menu. And we take a picture of the exit door and store it. In the test description, we can add that's the exit door and store it. It will be all set. Then we continue to add more landmarks as we come across the rooms of 309. We choose here to be our set landmark. Let's draw another landmark marker here and choose to take picture of it. Choose to take picture of the second landmark. It's a normal door room. Okay, I think I'll be all set. And input the text description of 309 Stoneit. And we can record audio as room number 309 as the audio input storing the memory. And we continue our survey. Then we choose the elevator of our third landmark. Choose add landmark in the menu and find the elevator on the map. Repeat the process as that's the title 2 landmark, and we choose take picture in the menu and take picture of the landmark and store it. And in the description we say elevator and store it. And as a audio input we say elevator. Okay, let's continue. That's our last landmark as a men's restroom store, and we add another landmark here and find the title of the landmark. It's title 3 and choose take picture. The same thing here, we take picture for the men's room and store it. In the test description, of course, we can say that it's men's room and store it. In the record audio, we say men's room. Okay, now all the landmarks has been input and will be all set. If sometime later we want to see what the pictures or what the text we have input, we can simply choose view pictures and choose landmark. That's the first landmark's picture, and that's the second landmark, room 309, and the third landmark will be the elevator, and the last landmark, that's the men's restroom. And same thing here, if we want to see what we have recorded as audio in the previous landmark, we can see, we can choose to play.
Room number 309.
Yeah, that's the audio we have input. And the elevator and the men's restroom, and the text input we have entered the same thing here. We can choose to see text. That's the text description I have inputted for each and every landmark. So if sometime later we finish this trip, so I want to store all the four points on the map, and I can close the application, and after some time I want to retrieve all the information for reference, I can reopen the app, and all the landmark will show up again on the application, and we can also retrieve the information from that's the picture I have input for each and every landmark. It will be still here for reference. So that's a complete function of my application. Thank you.